Hi everyone, today I'm comparing two action cameras, the DJI Osmo Action 6 and the GoPro Hero 13. I tested both cameras in real situations and filmed the same scenes with each one. Nothing technical, just how they actually look in real life. In this video, we'll look at image quality, stabilization, audio, and daily usability. If you are deciding between them, this should help. Let's start with image quality. First, how do they look in good light? Both cameras are filming the same scene at the same time. Notice the sharpness and detail on small objects. The DJI image keeps more detailed, especially on sky and textures. The GoPro image looks a bit punchier and has more contrast, but the DJI feels more natural. Now, part of why they look different is what's inside, the sensor. The DJI has a bigger sensor, 1 to 1.1 inch. GoPro uses a smaller 1 to 1.9 inch sensor. A bigger sensor means more light gets captured. That's why DJI looks better in low light. And this really shows when lights get low. Now, let's check low light, where action cameras usually struggle. Here's footage from evening. The DJI holds more detail in shadow areas and shows less noise. The GoPro becomes grainier sooner and loses detail in the dark. The DJI also handles artificial light smoothly. No flickering. The GoPro shows serious flicker here under certain lights. For me, the overall image winner is DJI because of cleaner low light and better detail. Now here's something only the DJI can do. Because the sensor is square, DJI has this 4K custom mode. With the GoPro, you pick one ratio when you shoot. If you want vertical later, you crop and lose quality. You have to decide before you start filming. Am I shooting horizontal or vertical? Let's test it. I set my DJI to custom and set my GoPro to 9 to 16 vertical. I shot this DJI in square format. Watch. I can turn it into a vertical video or a horizontal video easily later. With GoPro, if I want horizontal instead, I need to change the setting first. If I forget, I'll lose quality. So if you post on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, the DJI workflow is way easier. Next, stabilization. How smooth is it when you move? Here is the walking test. This is very important for an action camera because we often move while filming. Both cameras keep the horizon steady even when tilted. So far, they look very similar. Now, running. The footage gets bumpier, but both handle it well. But when I run at night or in low light, the DJI is actually much better. The bigger sensor lets in more light, so the stabilization has cleaner footage to work with. Less blur, less wobble. So for me, DJI wins stabilization overall, especially if you shoot in low light. Now, let's compare the built-in microphones. We'll do a few tests. Outdoor tests, talking tests, running tests, and background noise tests. This is recorded directly from each camera without any external mic. Now, let's test the audio. So this is the audio recorded on DJI Osmo Action 6. This is the audio recorded on GoPro Hero 13.
Ai, boleh bagi satu daging biasa. Ai, boleh bagi satu daging biasa.
DJI handles wind and background noise better. GoPro voice clarity is solid. You may also use an external mic for best quality. Now, let's talk about the mounting system. DJI uses a magnetic mount You just click it on and off. It's very convenient. And I love how fast it is. GoPro still uses the screw mount. It takes a bit more time, but it's what we've all used for years. And if you've got old GoPro mounts at home, they still work. So depends what you care about, speed or sticking with what you already have. Both have front screens for vlogging, really useful to see yourself. The DJI screen is a touch screen, so if you need to change setting quickly while filming yourself, you can just tap the front screen. Super handy. The GoPro front screen is display only. You see yourself, you see battery and modes, but you can't touch it. In order to change settings, you need to flip the camera around or use voice commands. Small difference, but if you're vlogging a lot, the DJI screen is more useful. Now, let's talk about battery. This matters when you're out all day. DJI has a slightly bigger battery, 1950 versus 1900 on GoPro. Not a huge difference on paper, but when you're out filming, you'll notice. DJI claims about 4 hours of recording time. GoPro says around 2.5 hours at higher settings. So, I tried both at 100% battery. After 30 minutes of on and off recording, DJI had 84% left. GoPro had 78% left. Storage is another difference. The DJI has 50 GB built-in. So if you forget your SD card, you can still film. The GoPro has no internal storage. You need a card to record anything. After using both, here's my take. The DJI wins in low light and has that handy magnetic mount. The front screen is touch, which is nice for vlogging, and the internal storage is handy too. The GoPro gives you those punchy colors and slow motion if you need it. For me, the DJI fits my style more, but both are good. The low light and mount just work better for how I shoot, but that's just me. Watch the footage again and see which one you like better. Drop a comment and let me know which one you choose. Thanks for watching. See ya!